Hello guys, welcome back. This is a second episode of my prop firm direct funded trader where I'm trying to get to a real trading account with $15,000 on it. So I'm in phase one of there are two phases when you have to do the demo and then you get the real money and then every month whatever you make profit, then you split the profit 80-20 with them, and that's it, you get your money back. On top of it, there are some nice cashbacks. As you can see, I'm in demo but already made like $40 of cashback that will be paid out with the first full payment. Obviously I have to pass it and then trade one whole month on a real account to get it. This is like a bonus because I traded already 14 lots. It will be added later on. And yeah, I traded 3 days, and I'll just quickly go through the dashboard and also show you the bot that I'm using because I had a very nice decent start. Let's say already made over $500, $550 almost, and then it dropped, and today it dropped even more to $240. So you cannot obviously go over the permitted loss. There is loss per day, maximum loss per day, and maximum overall loss. If I lose more than 1,500 in total, that's it, game over. I'll have to pay $100 again and restart the whole procedure. So I at 6:30 now I lost 136. So if you lose 1,500, it means that basically I've got like 15,000. If I went to 13,500, then it would be game over. Not that I lost something today that doesn't count, that's included in like permitted loss, but I cannot go below the balance that I have. So I cannot go to like 13,500 or below that, because that would be game over. So I've got enough, as much time as I want to get to this 16,200 profit target. So 1,200. At the moment I'm net profit 240, but I lost some money today, so just have to be smart with that. Don't overdo it. But the dashboard is amazing. Everything is very clear. You've got your profit loss, you've got your drawdown, and you've got your rules here as well, all here, very nice and clear. So let's go down to the business, to the bot, because I'm gonna tell you, you can use this bot, you can trade manual, obviously, as whichever way you want. I found this bot because they only have MT5, unfortunately. So I found this bot really quickly. Didn't test it much. It's only been testing for a week, sorry. But I really like it so far because it's not your typical bot when just blindly enters and exit. It has some reasoning behind it. It only enters certain trades. There are not a lot of trades open, usually 2 or 3 max, most of the time even one of them. So what happened here since the beginning, there were obviously, I did some manual trades, but just to warm up, let's say, very small gains, and then the bot is doing automated lot sizes based on your settings, on your risk appetite, let's call it. I put the risk at about 1%. You can change it, obviously, maybe even less or way more if you want to, and it chooses basically the lot size itself. So that's why it's like 0.55, but it can do like on each trade $100-150. Obviously it can lose as well. So as you can see, it was going really nice when I got to that 500 profit, over 500. Then there were some losses. This losses here, where one of them is mine, actually. I think this one is manual, and this one, because I only trade these two pairs on the bot, GBP and Euro USD. And then the bot made some losses because I didn't switch it off for the news. So it's very important for you to always check the news. Go to my FX book every morning, economic calendar, high importance news, dollar especially, because obviously it had some trade that it simply bought in the wrong direction, and then the news came out and it went opposite, so it had some logic behind it. It uses the indicators to enter the trade, but it didn't matter in terms of news. It could go my way, it could go against me, and it did go against me. So just remember, if you use those kind of bots, if they don't have built in like a news filter, because this one doesn't, then you just have to manually check anything happening. Switch it off half an hour before, 1 hour before, switch it back on 1 hour later or 2 hours. You're not gonna lose much trading, but you're gonna be safe with those spikes. It can hit the stop loss, and that's it. It's going to end in loss. So as you can see, there was another here, another here. This was the news, and today this one here as well, Euro USD. So as you can see, it gives even such messages. So the AI detected the presence of RSI and MACD in the selling area. Sell is recommended. So today there were no news. Maybe there were some for euro, I'm not sure. For dollar there were no news, and it went opposite. So this happens. I don't mind having this kind of loss sometimes, but if there would be news, avoiding is highly recommended, because on the other days it can really do some nice gains. So I'm just gonna let it ride, see how it goes, keep the settings the same, keep everything the same. I back tested these two pairs. You've got a tester here, which gave me quite a nice results. I think in 6 months time, from 10,000 it went to like 20 or 25, something like that, like 150% roughly was coming out to 10, 20% maybe a month, which is really nice, really decent and really solid. And I like it for this kind of prop firm challenge, because it opens only one trade. You can always try to somehow manage it and see what's going on. So if you want to use it, let me know. I'll tell you where is it. And if you have your own way, then I really highly recommend direct funded trader, because it's very cheap and you can dip your toes in and use real decent money to begin your trading journey. So thank you guys for watching.